This beautiful single-story home on a full finished basement is overflowing with updates. The cozy living room welcomes you inside, and the fireplace provides comfort from the cold winter. Sliding patio door access brings sunlight into the home and provides views of the backyard. The eat-in kitchen boasts beautiful cabinets, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. So many memories are waiting to be made while cooking and baking in this beautiful kitchen. Enjoy the dining nook to share a meal and conversation, then continue the fun with a game of cards. Each of the 3 rooms are great size, and there are 3 full bathrooms. Down in the lower level, you'll find a living area, wet bar, and additional storage room. The back deck and yard are ready for fun. Picture yourself hosting a barbecue or simply enjoying time outside lounging on your deck. With various updates, you have to see this home for yourself to appreciate how well maintained it is. Don't wait, call Katie Brown to see it before it's too late.